Hi everyone. In this video I would like to focus about show, don't tell. Now what does it mean? It means that in your resume, instead of telling me, for example, that you are an expert in Python, or telling me that you are passionate for AI, you should show me using your resume bullets. This method would make your resume much more impactful as it demonstrates objectively what you are trying to say, instead of just claiming it subjectively. My name is Itai, and this is Itai on Software. So for the purpose of demonstrating what does it mean show, don't tell, I would like to explain using this resume. When I say show, don't tell, it means let the work speak for itself instead of telling me what should be my conclusion from this work. So for example, if you show me that you worked on advanced machine learning, it's better than saying that you are experienced in machine learning. Now, the only exception for this rule is when there is an About Me section that sometimes you need to say and summarize what you experience on, which is a summary of the resume, and there you might be able to do that. However, there is no About Me here, so let's give some examples. The first example is here. In Database and Tools, there is a big list, right? You say that you are experienced in Google Cloud. Where is it? Where is the Google Cloud experience? Similar to that, there is a lot of other technologies where it's not clear which exactly project you show that you actually use those technologies that make you able to state them at the technical skills. So again, show me what made you a Google Cloud experienced person instead of just writing it disconnected from the projects. And this person, by the way, does not have a lot of experience, so definitely you can show me where you got this Google Cloud experience. A couple of more things here is there is the cultivated advanced Python expertise. You are telling me that you cultivated advanced Python expertise. It's better to show. What does it mean? Let's assume that you trained model using PyTorch or other advanced tools. First, I understand what advanced mean here. But the second thing, you can demonstrate the bar, and let's say that student or you has passed the bar. It's better to show the work and let the work talk for itself instead of a subjective way say, cultivated advanced Python expertise. Another example here is innovative detection methods. Okay, what does it mean? You said that you're innovation. What is the innovated here? Show me. For example, let's assume that you have used some new machine learning or new type of databases or new type of detection. Write it. Show your work. Instead of again jumping to a conclusion and tell me that this was innovated. This is another similar example. Let a comprehensive data collection initiative. You are telling me that this was comprehensive data collection. But what is the proof for that? And what make it comprehensive data collection? Was it 100 different sites that you scrapped? Was it a connection to a search API? It's very unclear where this comprehensive data collection comes from. And again, in many cases, when you're writing something subjective, it might be maybe less believable or people understand less or confused. I would say when possible, let the facts talk for themselves and show your work. An example here in the bottom again, you can see, developed and optimized software robust solution to boost project performance, leveraging engineering principle. What does it mean? You're telling me that you've developed and optimized software. You're telling me that you wanted to boost project performance. You're telling me that you leverage engineering principle. This sentence is unclear. By showing your work, not only you make it more believable, but also you make it easy for the other person to understand what you've done and as a result what you can do at your next job. And the last example here is experience in structuring Hadoop cluster on AWS. So this is, I think, a common mistake that a lot of people do. Don't tell me that you experience in structuring Hadoop cluster in AWS. Show me the work that made you experience in structuring Hadoop cluster in AWS. And I can easily get to the conclusion that you are experienced in structuring Hadoop cluster on AWS by reading what you've done. It's always better to show what you've done than to just tell me the conclusion that I should draw without showing me what you actually have done. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thank you for joining.